Hey, what's up, Strad fam? Welcome back to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we've got something truly special for you guys. You know him, you love him, it's the one and only Stradman. As you may know, Stradman got his hands on an awe-inspiring 2008 Bugatti Veyron in 2021. Since then, he has put over 24,000 miles on this beauty, which, in the Bugatti world, isn't considered much. But here's the kicker, the maintenance costs on this beast are nothing short of astonishing. So, we did some deep digging and found out just how much it costs to maintain a 2008 Bugatti Veyron. Hold on to your seats, folks, because these numbers will blow your mind. First up, is the annual service or yearly maintenance, which is a necessity for a car of this caliber. Brace yourselves, it can set you back a whopping $35,000. That's like buying a whole new car for some people. And the cost doesn't stop there. An oil change for the Bugatti Veyron comes with a jaw-dropping price tag of around $25,000. I mean, you'd think the oil was made from gold, right? But wait, it gets even crazier. Imagine getting a flat tire. Not fun, right? Well, it's even less fun for Bugatti owners. To unlock the full potential of this engineering marvel, you have to replace all 4 specially engineered tires, which will set you back a staggering $38,000. So, if you're doing the math with us, that's around $98,000 for just the annual service and tire replacement. That's like the price of a luxury car itself. And the insurance is around $400 every month. There you have it, folks, the hidden truth behind maintaining a 2008 Bugatti Veyron. Owning such a masterpiece comes with a hefty price tag, and Stradman here is taking it like a champ. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. And before we sign off, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to also you never miss any of our future videos. Until next time, stay safe, drive fast, and keep chasing your automotive dreams.